I started wearing Leatt helmets in 2016. For me, it was an easy decision. I'd been in the brace probably 10 years prior to that, and I knew how much Leatt cared about safety, how important that was to them, not just selling product, but protecting the riders. I knew that how much they put into building the neck brace. I knew when the helmet came out that they were going to put that much into it as well. And I wasn't disappointed. The first helmet was really good. The second helmet was even better, and the new helmet's amazing. When you hit your head, it's a serious deal. I've had a lot of concussions. Thankfully, I can say I've never had one in a Leatt helmet. I've crashed really hard in a Leatt helmet. They've been solid. I've hit my head on rocks, on trees, on the ground. Every time I kind of get up and go, man, I'm glad I had this helmet on. I'm glad I had a quality helmet on. It's not some cheap thing that just looks good. Thankfully, I got the best of both worlds. I've been really impressed with the way the Leatt helmet protects my head, because I know how bad concussions can be. It can really mess your whole life up. So I feel safer with the Leatt helmet on my head. When I first saw pictures of the new helmet, I was pumped, man. It looks really cool. It's got a cool design. For me, that's just as important, not quite as important, but almost just important as how safe it is, how much it protects my head. But the other thing that when I finally got to try on the helmet was it's just super comfortable. It's roomy, but still tight enough to where you know you're getting protected. Once you get it on, you're just at home. Like, your head's just nice and it's comfortable. It's good. It breathes really, really well. The goggle fits in super good. Just to have a helmet that's really safe and also really comfortable. I raced some races that are 3 hours long. Some 4 hours long, and so I got to be in the helmet a lot, and that doesn't even count practicing and stuff. Comfort is a big thing for me. Also, it works really good with my neck brace. I think even better than the old helmet. I know that these guys put in the work, and they know what the range of motion should be and how much is too much, and they've done a great job figuring out how to give you the most that you can have without being dangerous. The cool thing about being in the Leatt helmet this long is I've had a lot of say in the development of this new helmet. The first helmet came out and it was cool, it was safe. I had my own opinions on the looks and some comfort things and just the fit, and through these different progressions of this helmet, it's just gotten better and better, and the new one addressed one of my biggest needs from the last helmet. So it's been super cool to be able to offer my opinion and them, really take it serious and go, yeah, we can fix that. That's been really cool. And to get a new helmet that's like, hey, they fixed what I didn't like about the old one. That's been awesome. Yeah, I'm getting older now. I've got 3 kids, 2 of them riding, and the third one is getting ready to. So it's really important for me to have them in the best safety gear they can be in. Crashes are gonna happen. No matter how much I tell them to slow down, they watch their daddy every day. They don't know how to slow down. They wanna go fast. I wanna go fast. So most important thing for me is that they have the best safety equipment on. And it's cool to me that the same helmet I have on, my son's, who's 5 years old, his helmet has the same technology that I have on. And when that crash does happen, he's protected just like I am. And that's his motorcycle helmet, his bicycle helmet. We use them all, and he tests them for sure. So I'm just pumped that Leatt has youth products that they can be protected too.